everyone, this is Shalini. I'm back with my new video, and in this video I'm gonna explain to you negative contractions. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch, because in that video I have explained the concept of the contractions and several positive contractions. And in this video I will tell you about the negative contractions. Okay, now let me repeat my words. What is the contractions? As I told you in my previous video, the contractions are just a short form. Okay, the contractions are just a short form of the natural pronunciation. Okay, and when we make a contractions, we put apostrophe in the place of missing letter, as like is not is a natural pronunciation, and the contraction of is not is isn't. Okay, so these types of negative contractions we will discuss in this video. Let me remind you the most important thing, and that is the contractions are usually used in conversation, spoken English, and in informal writing. Like if you want to write a letter or email or text message to your friend, to your close friend, or to your relative, in that case you can use the contractions. Okay, but these contractions are usually not appropriate in formal writing, like business letter or emails. You cannot use it. Okay, so that's why these are very important thing that you have to remember, okay, while using the contractions. Now let's discuss about the negative contractions. Negative contraction is a negative verb contraction that ends in nt. Okay, and as you all know that the explanations are delightful, but the examples are better. So let's get it with an example. So now first is not. Is not is a natural pronunciation, and the contraction of is not is isn't. You may have noticed that I have written two pronunciation, isn't or isn't. Isn't is the accent of British English, and the isn't is the accent of American English, because in America t is not pronounced. Okay, that is why t is not here. It's stopped in American English. Now example is he isn't going to Delhi. He isn't going to Delhi. Now next is am not, and am not is a natural pronunciation, and the contraction of am not is and am. So earlier I told you about it, that and is the accent of British English and an is accent of American English. Okay, so example is I am sure if you are the right person. Let me tell you one more thing, that is the and is not only the contraction of am not. Okay, it is a contraction of is not, are not, has not, have not, and that I will tell you in my next video. Okay, so the next is are not, and the contraction of are not is aren't or aren't. Okay, so now example, they aren't having dinner. They aren't having dinner. Now next is was not, and the contraction of was not is wasn't or wasn't. Okay, as I told you earlier that wasn't is accent of American English. Okay, so wasn't or wasn't. He wasn't my friend. Example is he wasn't my friend. Now next is were not, and the contraction of were not is weren't. We weren't allowed to disclose anything to the media. The example, we weren't allowed to disclose anything to the media. Now next is has not, and the contraction of has not is hasn't or hasn't. Okay, the example is he hasn't informed me yet. Now next is have not, and the contraction of have not is haven't or haven't. Okay, I haven't invited him at the party. Example is I haven't invited him at the party. Now next is had not, and the contraction of had not is hadn't or hadn't. He hadn't watched that movie. He hadn't seen or watched. Either can be used. He hadn't seen or watched that movie. Now next is do not, and the contraction of do not is don't or don't. Okay, don't is accent of American English, and don't is accent of British English. So the example is I don't care about it. Okay, next is does not, and the contraction of does not is doesn't or doesn't. So the example is he doesn't talk to me. Now next is did not, and the contraction of did not is didn't or didn't. Didn't or didn't. She didn't take lunch today. She didn't take lunch today. Now next is cannot, and the contraction of cannot is can't or can't. As I told you that the can't is used in American English. Okay, so I can't solve this sum. I can't solve this sum. Now next is could not, and the contraction of could not is couldn't. Couldn't or couldn't. Okay, so that is up to you what pronunciation you want to use. Okay, I couldn't attend the party. I couldn't attend her party. So next is will not, and the contraction of will not is won't. An example is I won't talk about it anymore. I won't talk about it anymore. Now next is would not, and the contraction of would not is wouldn't. The contraction of would not is wouldn't. So wouldn't or wouldn't. I hope you wouldn't mind it. I hope you wouldn't mind it. Now next is shall not, and the contraction of shall not is shan't. The contraction of shall not is shan't. And remember the thing that is extremely rare in American English, but it can be here in British English. Remember, okay? Shan't use in British English. Okay? So now next is, and the example is we shan't get away before evening. We shan't get away before evening. Now next is should not, and the contraction of should not is shouldn't. The contraction of should not is shouldn't or shouldn't. Okay, we shouldn't go there. Example is we shouldn't go there. Now next is may not, and the contraction of may not is meant. Meant or man. Meant or man. The example is he meant accept my proposal. He meant accept my proposal. Now next is might not, and the contraction of might not is mightn't. The contraction of might not is mightn't. Yeah, mightn't. Okay. I mightn't come to your party. I mightn't come to your party. Now next is must not, and the contraction of must not is mustn't. Mustn't, yeah, mustn't. Okay. She mustn't come to meet him. She mustn't come to meet him. So guys, these contractions would help you to speak as fast as your American friends. Whenever you are in the conversation with your friends, try to use these contractions as much as possible in order to get a fluency in your language. It would help you to speak without fail. So keep on practicing, keep on using the contractions in your conversation. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the upcoming videos. Thank you all.